Good day mga kamars! Today I will be making my first food vlog. So I will do a little twist to our favorite dessert, Mango Tapioca, and turn it into Mango Tapioca in Avocado Puree. But before that, welcome to my channel! Mango Tapioca is one delicious dessert everyone loves to have during special occasion because it is easy to prepare and can be too delicious. So here are our ingredients. For our avocado puree, we will only be mixing our liquid ingredients to our mashed avocado and blend it well. So you can actually add more sweetened milk if you want, or maybe you can use all-purpose cream instead of cream densada. The sweetened milk would depend on how sweet you would like it to taste. So in my case, I only use half a can of it because I wanted it to taste more fruity than milky. Now, this avocado puree will certainly make contrasting flavor to our mango. It's nice that the mango would taste a little sour too because it would add spike among the sweet mixture. So, just mix it well at about 3 to 5 minutes. And when it's done, simply add in your mango and sago. So you may add more mangoes if you want or more of the sago. Now it's very important to taste the sweetness of the whole mixture before chilling it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Then after 2 hours, you can already serve it. So ladies and gentlemen, our mango tapioca in avocado puree.